Hi, this is Julie Thompson reporting from IAB's Digital Video Marketplace. I'm here with Tim Ware, Director of Mobile for Wall Street Journal's Digital Network, as well as Chris Needham, VP of Interactive with Fidelity Investments, as well as Atul Patel, who's CEO and founder of OneScreen. Hello, you guys.
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
You just left the stage and you gave a great case study on Fidelity. Do you want to tell us about it, starting with Chris?
Sure. Fidelity helped launch the Wall Street Journal Live app in Q4 of 2011, and we saw some terrific results, and we just wanted to talk about it and share the results with the audience.
And how did it work from your end?
It worked terrifically. Having a partner like Fidelity and OneScreen made it all come together. The subject matter being fragmentation, I am not too proud to provide a shameless sales pitch and say, come talk to me if you're looking to reach a Wall Street Journal reader / video viewer.
Well, so it was a case study in kind of what works and why. What were the key lessons from this experience?
Well, I think first of all, you need a good advertiser that's willing to participate in the opportunity to extend beyond just the online web, but also into the living room and into devices, and obviously having a great content producer like the Journal to help facilitate that. And obviously OneScreen's role was really premised around building applications for the various devices to make it easier for the other two parties to focus on what they do well.
And Chris, do you find that a financial services customer is more digitally savvy than, say, other sectors, and why?
Yeah, that's a great question. We actually started off the presentation this morning by talking about that. Our core audience of traders or brokerage services are definitely early adopters of technology, and so aligning with their early adoption, we need to be in the same place they are. And so working with OneScreen, working with the Wall Street Journal was a very good step in that direction.
Yeah. Do you find that it's easier or harder to sell things in projects like this now into marketers who are more open to digital video, or is it still a hard sell?
It kind of goes back to the subject matter, which is of the case study, which is ultimately simplifying the process.
Yeah.
So we're in a cataclysmic time in this space, whereas products are innovating faster and consumers are adopting them. And I think if anything that comes out of this case study is we took a rather complex scenario and made it simple, although I'll excuse the conference calls that we might have had to. But really, all kidding aside, thanks to OneScreen and thanks to Fidelity, and in this exciting time, as crazy as it is, we had a real good campaign that we ran, and we delivered some good results, and it's something really that we can build upon, and we're excited to look forward to.
Yeah, and additionally, I think that the Journal is going to follow the audience wherever they go. So continuously building on the various devices users are using and bringing in advertisers such as Fidelity in to help sponsor that.
I think a one-time buy is not an impossible sell, but to maintain a relationship with companies like Fidelity, publishers have to continually add functionality that is native to the environments where the users are. And so that's what we've been looking for next, is not just sort of using 30-second spots in apps, but really trying to build some deeper interactivity into the experience.
Yeah, if you could snap your fingers today and have one new functionality or innovation, what would it be?
It would be social interactivity. It would be overlaying on top of our advertising or integrated with our advertising social functionality to allow our audience to start talking to each other in the context of branded content.
No, I think that makes sense. Interactivity is another big opportunity. And these devices, although some may not allow for that, like television sets, and users aren't used to it, I think when they're presented that, I think consumers are going to move in that direction and expect their remote to do a little bit more. So I think it's certainly a big opportunity.
Excellent. Well, thank you all for coming, and we really appreciate it, and we'll see you back in the sessions.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.